In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk Guide. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to refine your current setup, this guide will help you unlock the potential of your help center. First off, let's talk about enabling and accessing Guide. Start by navigating to your admin center. From there, look for the Guide section. You can either dive straight in via the Guide menu, or, if you're interested in analyzing performance metrics, you might find it under Analytics as the Guide dashboard. Keep in mind that you'll need a plan that includes the Guide feature, either Professional or Enterprise, or be part of the Zendesk suite to unlock its full capabilities. This step is all about ensuring you have the right access to start managing your content effectively. Now that you're in, let's structure your content. Zendesk Guide is designed to help you organize information efficiently using a hierarchical model. At the top, you have categories, which serve as the broadest level of organization. Within these categories, you have sections, which act as your subcategories. Finally, within sections, you place your articles, the individual content pieces that users will read. For example, imagine a category called Support. Within Support, there might be a section titled Billing Issues, which could house an article called How to Update Billing Details. This hierarchy makes it easy for users to navigate through your content and find exactly what they need. Moving on to creating and managing articles. In your Guide admin, go ahead and click on the Add button, then select Article. This is where you bring your content to life. Start by giving your article a clear and descriptive title. Then, in the body, you can get creative by adding rich text, images, or even videos, whatever it takes to make your message clear and engaging. Decide which section this article belongs to and set the permissions to determine who can view it, whether it should be open to everyone or restricted for internal eyes only. Once you're satisfied with your creation, hit Publish to make it live. Collaboration and content review are crucial for maintaining the quality of your guide, especially in larger teams. Those with the Enterprise plan can take advantage of the team publishing feature, which streamlines the drafting, reviewing, and publishing processes. If your team is using Lotus themes for Zendesk, it can further enhance the visual appeal of your guide. Additionally, the Knowledge Capture app allows agents to flag articles, leave comments, and suggest edits, keeping your content fresh and accurate. By following these steps, you'll create a robust and user-friendly Zendesk guide that not only meets the needs of your audience, but also empowers your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy guiding!